If you are trying to choose between GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7, this video will save you a lot of time. Both are the latest flagship AI models in 2026, super powerful, super smart, but built for slightly different purposes. So in this video, I'll break down features, performance, pricing, pros and cons, and most importantly, which one should you actually use. Quick overview. Let's start simple. GPT 5.5 made by OpenAI, Claude Opus 4.7 made by Anthropic. Both models have 1 million token context windows, support multimodal inputs, texts, images, tools, are designed for advanced reasoning plus agent workflows. But here's the key difference. GPT 5.5 focuses on efficiency, speed, and real-world execution. Claude Opus 4.7 focuses on deep reasoning and accuracy. Features comparison. GPT 5.5 features: strong agent workflows and automation, better tool usage and computer interaction, optimized for long context reasoning up to 1 million tokens, more token efficient, uses fewer tokens per task. Claude Opus 4.7 features: advanced step-by-step reasoning, better coding performance in many cases, improved visual understanding, higher resolution images, built for long, complex tasks over time. In short, GPT equal execution, Claude equal thinking. Performance and benchmarks. This is where things get interesting. Claude Opus 4.7 wins in coding benchmarks, SWE bench. GPT 5.5 wins in agent tasks and terminal workflows. Across tests, Claude leads in more benchmarks overall. GPT leads in practical real-world tasks. Even reports show Claude can outperform GPT in deep reasoning tasks, while GPT focuses more on usability and speed. So again, Claude equal more accurate thinking, GPT equal faster execution. Pricing. Here's the simple breakdown. GPT 5.5, $5 per 1 million input tokens, $30 per 1 million output tokens. Claude Opus 4.7, $5 per 1 million input tokens, $25 per 1 million output tokens. So Claude is slightly cheaper on output, but GPT is often more token efficient, meaning tasks may cost less overall. Claude may use more tokens due to its reasoning style. Real-world cost depends on your usage. Pros and cons. GPT 5.5 pros: faster responses, better for automation and workflows, more efficient token usage. Strong tool integration. GPT 5.5 cons: sometimes less detailed reasoning, can be slightly more expensive per output token. Claude Opus 4.7 pros: excellent deep reasoning, strong coding performance, more detailed and careful answers. Claude Opus 4.7 cons: slower in some cases, can consume more tokens, less optimized for fast workflows. Which one should you choose? Here's the honest answer. It depends on your use case. Choose GPT 5.5 if you want speed, automation, real-world task execution, and everyday productivity. Choose Claude Opus 4.7 if you want deep thinking, complex problem solving, coding heavy tasks, more accurate reasoning. Final verdict and conclusion. So for this comparison, you might ask yourself, which one is better and which one is the winner here? There is no clear winner here. GPT 5.5 equal better assistant. Claude Opus 4.7 equal better thinker. The smartest move, use both depending on the task. So you should integrate between both of them. And that's all for today's comparison. If you found it helpful and useful, please support us with a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, turn on the bell icon to not miss anything about the AI and news, share this video to your friend, and tell me down below in the comments, have you used any one of them and which one did you choose? Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.